What is going on, guys? This is Raphael from Self-Made Profits. And if you're looking for a way to earn some extra money from home, you're looking for some flexibility in your life, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be going over a website that's going to allow you to get paid $13 to $17 an hour working from home, okay? If you haven't done so yet, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell because you definitely want to be notified when I put out new content, okay? Now, this company is called Leap Force. They've been around for some time now, and pretty much they allow you to have some flexibility while working with them, okay? You get to choose your own schedule and work with them, all right? As you can see here on this website, it says that it's time your job worked around your schedule. It's time to trade in your regular commute for a walk down the hall. It's time you enjoyed the benefits and convenience of working from home. As a Leap Force at-home independent agent, you will enjoy the freedom and flexibility to choose when and the amount of time you work, allowing you to balance your career, family, and friends. Okay, so LeafForce, like I said, they've been around for a while. They allow you to basically choose your own schedule, so that way you don't have to, have the hassle of a set schedule with them and trying to balance everything else out in your life. Okay, so that's the flexibility that they offer. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and click on Overview, and as you can see here, it says no set hours or schedules, exciting research work, competitive pay. Leap Force at Home independent agents enjoy competitive pay, have no set work hours or schedules, and enjoy the benefits of running their own home-based business. Now, as you can see here, like I said, you get some flexibility with them. The basically what it involves with your position with Leap Force would be a search engine evaluator. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna be searching Google and making sure that the proper searches are coming up on the engine there. Okay, because there's so much that the computer can do itself. Okay, sometimes it needs the human eye to take a look and make sure everything is correct, everything is on point with the search engine. So that's where you come in at, and you're gonna be working with companies to make sure that their searches are coming up correctly. They're getting the right search rank and everything. Okay, so it's some pretty easy work. There is training involved, and also you will be getting some competitive pay, like I said. Okay, so you'll be also being paid as an independent contractor. Okay, so as you can see here, it says as a Leap Force at home independent agent, you will have the flexibility to schedule your own hours to fit your lifestyle and to work around your career and family demands. You are given complete freedom to choose when and how much you would like to work. Never again will you have to rearrange your personal activities to fit a rigid work schedule. For any given day, you are free to work more or less time. You are in control. All right, so I really love this kind of company. I love positions that allow that flexibility. Okay. So once again, you don't have to be very internet savvy or anything like that. You don't have to be, you don't have to be an expert. You just have to have internet connection, personal computer. You're supposed to have some up-to-date antivirus and any spyware software. You must be at least 18 years of age. All right, so it's a couple of stuff here. All right, so basically, if you're ready to join this company, you can just come to this website. You can read more on this stuff and how to become an agent. And once you're ready, you just click here to become an agent. They have some FAQs here. Okay, some frequently asked questions. So you can come here and take a look at that also. All right. And let's look at here. It says, how do I generate revenue as a Leap Force at home independent agent? Leap Force contracts with independent agents to perform work available from our customers. Agents invoice Leap Force for each hour of work they complete. All right. So you get paid pretty good with this company here. Okay. Now if you look here at the Better Business Bureau, this is Leap Force here on here, and they do have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. So that's pretty good there also. So you know this is not no kind of scam or anything like that. This is a legit company. All right. All right. So like I said, guys, if you're ready to get started, click the become an agent. You're gonna have to take a short assessment, okay? Because they don't hire everyone. They have to. There's a lot of people that's applying for this, so you're gonna have to take a short assessment. Just make sure you pass it, and if you pass it, you're able to get hired with them, okay? All right. Also, I'll just look down here. They hire all different kind of languages also. So because Google is just not in the U.S. It's everywhere. So They hire different languages. So if you speak any different language, you can come here and put in your language and get started. Okay. If you guys love this content, please make sure you like the video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And once again, guys, become self-made today, and God bless.